Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. You are just scrolling YouTube, and then all of a sudden, a figure appears, and you say, "What the? Let's go!" Okay, so we have here from WizKids, Marvel Heroclix Puck. And this particular limited edition figure contains one pre-painted collectible game piece, a promo figure, and you can see from the illustration, we have here the character, Puck, okay, so doing a backflip, and yeah, very, very dynamic pose. And that's the illustration in all sides. At the top, you can see that it's meant for 14 years old and up and was released 2024. So this one, I won from participating in the Manila Championship Clicks Open. I ended up sixth place in that particular tournament. I was aiming to get into the top 8 as a personal goal because from the prizes, the only one I really need was this dude, this tiny dude called Puck. Okay, and you can see the sculpt is really small. Okay, so I'm not so familiar with Puck, okay, as a character, but he is a member of the Alpha Flight, okay, which I collect as X-Men adjacent team, okay, and you can see he is tumbling around. If I'm not mistaken, he is made of rubber, and his main attack is really to do backflips, cartwheels, and meaning attack with his feet rather than his hands. Okay, so I love as well this translucent effects of him backflipping. So always a good sculpt. Okay, you can see him there. Let's do him right side up. Okay, there's a paint chip here on the helmet. Okay, so Puck. Let's see the card for the character. Okay, so Puck is MVD 24-003 with the X-Men team ability. And he has the Alpha Flight, X-Force, Brute, Martial Artist, Mystical, and Past keywords. I would have loved it more if they have an X-Men keyword. And he has a trait, I vowed I would live an interesting life, which grants him super senses and willpower. When an opposing attack misses Puck, after resolutions, you roll a d6. On a 1 to 3, no effect. 4 to 5, heal Puck 1 click. On a 6, heal Puck 2 clicks. So he has a bit of a regeneration trait. Okay, so depending on how well you roll, either from super senses, okay, and even for, I guess, not really impervious, because impervious don't take damage but you still got hit. Okay, so only I guess for super senses. Would have been better if it's anytime he rolls a single d6 including willpower. Anyway, so we have here Puck. You can see he moves through adjacent characters for 50 points. Okay, 2 targets, close combat, and he has a special attack power. Okay, I got distracted with this card. The card is not pristine. Okay, see some quality there. Okay, so anyway, so he has a special movement power, a a body like compressed rubber. Okay, so he has the properties of rubber. Okay, so like Luffy from One Piece, I guess. Charge but don't have speed. When Puck hits after resolutions, he may be placed up to 2 squares away from his current square. So that means that might signify him backflipping after an attack. Okay, we'll see. I'm just noticing it now, the detail. Okay, the silhouette of Puck is in the translucent effect. Let's see if we can see that. There you go. See Puck there? Oh, see, there's one here, another here, another here. Okay, but it seems like he's going this way and not back. Okay, so you get what I mean? If not, it's okay. So we have a special movement. Again, full range, full movement charge at 7. And he loses that on click number 4 and 5, but gains back again at the last click. Has super strength up until the last click. It becomes quick though, and then impervious, becomes invulnerability, and then leadership. Okay, all for 50 points. Real name is Eugene Judd, and significant appearance is Immortal Hulk number 11, 2019. Okay, so he's not unique, so you can play multiple packs. Okay, so I hope somebody give me a pack or packs so that I can play more packs. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, bye!